8. The laser path adjustment. 1. The laser path adjustment requirements. 1. The incident point of laser on the reflect mirror locates within 10 mm diameter range of lens center. Approach to lens center as close as possible. 2. When laser head is on the 4 limit position of the machine, top left corner, the bottom left corner, the bottom right corner, and the top right corner, the laser beam can rip into from round center of laser head and shoot from the center of a focus lens. 2. Notice when adjusting laser path. 1. Don't put the body in the middle of the laser path to avoid the laser burns. 2. Before adjustment, we must install the cooling water. Forbidden to adjust the laser path when cooling water uninstalled or poor cooling water circulation. 3. Laser path adjustment steps. 1. Move the laser head to the top left corner of the machine. With a thing, prepare a piece of transparent acrylic and press laser to test whether the laser should shoot on the center of the first mirror and the second mirror within the range of 10 mm diameter. 2. Remove the third reflecting mirror and the focus lens cone to prevent lenses contamination, and paste white double-sided adhesive tape on the third mirror position. 3. Adjust the y-axis laser path. Move laser head to the top of corner and bottom left corner, RBI. Make the 2 points coincident. If not coincide, please adjust the first mirror by regulating screws, repeating the above steps until coincident. 4. Adjusting the x-axis laser path. Move laser head to the bottom left corner and bottom right corner, RBI. Make the 2 points coincident. If not coincide, please adjust the second mirror by regulating screws, repeating the above steps until coincident. 5. Make sure the top left, bottom right corner are in coincidence. Then adjust the laser head to the center. 6. Move the laser head to the top of left corner of the machine and press laser. Make sure the laser spot is located in the center of the round hole 2 mm diameter range. Let it approach to the center as close as possible. If it is not in the center, adjust upper and lower deviation, left and right deviation. 7. Upper and lower deviation adjustment. If the laser spot has upper and lower deviation, please lower or raise the laser tube. Adjust the front bracket by knob. Clockwise is for upper and counterclockwise is for lower, until to the center, and then repeat 3.4 steps to make sure the laser spot coincide. And then repeat step 6.7 until the laser spot in the center. 8. Left and right deviation adjustment. If the laser spot is deviation in the left and right, please move the second mirror frames to outwards or inwards. If the laser spot in the center left, please move the second mirror to outwards. If the laser spot in the center right, please move the second mirror to inside, and then repeat step 4. Let x-axis points coincide with laser spot, and then repeat step 8, repeating the 4 and 8 steps until the laser spot is in the center of the hole completely. 9. Finally verify the laser head. In top left corner, bottom right corner, top right corner, whether the laser head in the center and coincide. If not coincide, repeat the above steps. 10. Install the third mirror and focus lens cone. Adjust the laser outlet center position with the double-sided adhesive tape to press laser and get a spot. Let the laser spot out from the nozzle. If not in the center, please adjust the third mirror by the screws until spot shot from the center of the nozzle.